S. Shakir Ali was born in 1956. He completed his bachelor's in arts from Rajasthan University, Jaipur. His grandfather Sayyid Hamid Ali was a court artist and his father S. Shabir Ali was an art collector. Inspired by both of them and art and paintings that he saw, since his childhood, he started learning miniature paintings under the guidance of late Padma Shri Ram Gopal Vijay Verijya and Shri Vedpal Sharma. He went on to command in different kinds of Indian traditional schools and specialized in Mughal and Company school. Shakir Ali started painting at the age of 15. He specialized and chose it as his career after graduation in 1978. Motivated and appreciated by some IPS, IAS dignitaries and art lovers who used to come to his father, he started demonstrations and exhibitions in 1981. His first demonstration and exhibition was at Craft Museum, Delhi, followed by American Embassy, UK Embassy, DCWA, Ashoka and Taj Hotels, etc. His paintings got selected by Ministry of External Affairs for presentation to various dignitaries and foreign VVIPs to their counterparts abroad since 1989 on a regular basis. After a long struggle and hard work, S. Shakir Ali got an opportunity from ICCR to represent India in SAARC's 10th Folk Festival at Islamabad in 1992, where he won the first prize in art competition. He held solo exhibitions in various parts of India and abroad, got recognized and appreciated by respective citizens and dignitaries. Some of his exhibitions include India Fair Dubai 95, 96, 99, Bangkok in 95, Millennium Festival at Hong Kong in 2003, SME and Handicraft Fair in Mauritius in 2005, Festival of India in Brussels, Belgium in 2006, Paramparik Karigar at Mumbai, Pune, Chennai and Bangalore since 2000 every year. Harmony Art Foundation organized by Tina Anil Ambani at Mumbai in 2009, Cultural and International Festival of Miniature and Illumination at Algeria in 2007-2009. His paintings were auctioned at Bowring in 2003 and Oceans in 2008-9. He's received many prestigious awards including Padma Shri in 2013, Nexen Excellence Awards in 2014 and Shane Rajasthan 2015. Apart from exhibitions, S. Shakir Ali also held various live demonstrations and workshops for the promotion of his art, which is vanishing by time. He also tries searching for new talent and giving awareness among new generations in various parts of the countries and abroad. He taught this art to many boys and girls who are now working well and have got recognition and awards for the same. He's trained more than 2,000 students in India and abroad. He has also restored old paintings in City Palace, Jaipur and Prince Wales Museum, Mumbai, and they also have collection of his paintings. S. Shakir Ali is the recipient of numerous awards and honors. He got recognized for his work in miniature painting and was awarded with National Award in 1993 from the President of India, Shri Shankar Dayal Sharma. He was awarded first prize in SAARC Pakistan held in 1992, got second prize in Algeria, where various world-famous artists participated in the competition. He got merit certificates in Dubai, Hong Kong and Thailand. From last 5 years, he has been experimenting with new creativity and has started working in modern miniature and contemporary art, where he is continuing with the miniature techniques. Some of his recent art demonstrations and workshops include Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, Mumbai, lectures on miniature art and live demonstrations on Mughal miniature painting techniques, SKD Museum, Dresden, Germany. Discover the journey of renowned miniature painting, lectures on miniature art and live demonstration on Mughal miniature painting techniques, CD Deshmukh Auditorium, New Delhi. Interaction on miniature paintings with Ashok Vajpayee, renowned poet and literacy culture critique. International Craft Award, Craft Village, New Delhi, held on Craft Day. As a jury, prize distribution to artists of various art forms from all over the world. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya, Mumbai, represented Indian art as a master artist in the program India and the World History in 9 Stories. It was a collaboration between the British Museum, London, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya and the National Museum, New Delhi. And Museum